Okay, so we're back at Wigan North Western.
Customers alighting at Wigan North Western. Please take care of
And a new announcement there as well. Not heard that one before. 319384 arrives in quite a delay-ridden Wigan North Western. 1209 is delayed by 56 minutes. Got quite a few of them today, really. Speak of the delayed individual. 39. Oh, look at that! It was my last movement of 2016, but it's not going to be the last movement of 2017. It's the star itself, 39112. Stuck in Shap for the majority of the morning, hence its delay. Apparently a vehicle struck a bridge just between Penrith and Oxenholme. That's causing the delays. Now off goes 39112, Virgin Star. Running pretty late, this. That's Virgin Star. And it's off to London Euston on a direct service from Warrington Bank Quay. Arriving now, should be a double Voyager set. And another delayed Birmingham New Street service. This is calling at Stafford, this one. 221102. And the back unit, let's have a look, is 117 is the back one. That goes for Birmingham New Street. Two 22102 and 221117. Next stop for that is Warrington Bank Quay. So now arriving is 319374, which was one of the first units to be in the new livery. And now arriving is the 1259 service for Manchester Airport. So now departing is 35405.
approximately 15 minutes. Please listen for further announcements. Virgin Trains are very sorry for the delay to this service.
Oh, 039. Get in there. 39039. Virgin Quest. This is one of my favourite candles, this one. It's not a Birmingham. Oh no, London. Yeah, it's the Euston services. I can't keep up. I honestly cannot keep up with these services. Birmingham should be a Voyager. So now off goes 39039, Virgin Quest. This is off to London Euston, via Warrington Bank Quay, Rugby and London Euston. And off goes the Quest. Now first northbound movement today, that's 39123. Passing through now is a slower Hardendale service. 66623, it's a blue one. Blue one. Blue class 66, very nice. Very small as well, this. Not much on this today. 66,623. And a blue class 66. And leaving just so good on time. 391.23. Leaving with the Hardendale. So there is the Hardendale service. Also leaving is 319.374. Demanding it to be raced. Now for the final Pendolino of the year. As I'm up, we're coming back now till 2018. This is... Oh, I thought it was 005 there. 006. And that is the final Pendolino of the year, 390.006.
61016. We'll sort it. See it, say it, sort it.
Where the silhouette, where the sun, where the satellite. By Wigan.